Good morning from Los Angeles, California. I praise God for this wonderful opportunity to be here. I am here at the place of Pastor and Mrs. Rosette. I'll just sing one stanza of To God Be the Glory. Yeah, I really praise God for His goodness, for His traveling mercies, especially as I travel from one place to another. I'm so blessed. It is because of God's grace, God's help, God's guidance and provisions, and through people who have helped me, especially in my expenses in my travel. So thank you sa lahat ng mga tumulong. Ngayon nandito ako kina Pastor Rosette and family dito sa lugar nila dito sa Los Angeles. So, we praise God and yeah, indeed, to God be the glory. So, mga relatives ko dyan sa Philippines, ingat kayo dyan, and also to my colleagues at Baguio 7th-day Adventist School. God bless, ingat kayo dyan, and praying for our enrollment and also the opening of classes on July 29. Blessings!